Let me ask you this. Do any of your mates know what you're going through right now? In fact, does anyone? No, I don't think so. You've got good people around you, good people that would show up if you asked. But you haven't asked because you don't want to be a burden, or you don't have the words, or you've convinced yourself that it's not that bad, not bad enough to bother someone with. Look, I've sat across from a lot of people who had a whole circle around them but still felt completely alone. So I get it. And it wasn't because nobody cared, but it was because nobody knew. I'm not saying that you have to tell them everything or break down over a pint, but next time you're with somebody that you trust, just try something small. One of my personal favorites is I've had better days. That's it. People want to be there for you, but you've got to let them in. And that's hard. So start with the smallest step.